Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Notion aesthetic on phone updated. Open Notion, pick the page to tweak, then tap the three dots to enter page settings. First, change the cover and icon for immediate personality, then enable full width and adjust text size. Swap the default font for a serif or mono look, and finally arrange blocks into columns and add colored dividers for clean separation. Start by choosing consistent iconography and color accents that fit your style and function. Use the highlight tool for headers and set background colors on callout blocks to guide attention. Swap in emoji or SVG icons for playful cues, but keep a limited palette to maintain harmony. Balance bright accents with neutral backgrounds and test on phone view to ensure readability and spacing remain pleasant and uncluttered. If you're enjoying this walkthrough, please hit subscribe and like so I can make more helpful content. Quick recommendation: I use these leak-proof meal prep containers and they save time and spills, so they pair well with planning pages and weekly meal templates. Check the description for the product link and other deals and grab one if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Use columns and toggles to optimize mobile reading and navigation while keeping the page visually appealing. Drag blocks to form 1, 2, or 3 column layouts and preview on your phone to confirm spacing. Employ toggles for dense content and add dividers to separate topics. Consider consistent block widths and balanced white space so pages feel intentional rather than cluttered when viewed on a smaller display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.